What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today got another video, make a sound video. I'm gonna be trying to make some sort of interesting sound effect. I think I'm gonna play with the I'm gonna make a custom phaser shape, I think, and go from there. Maybe do some LFO stuff as well. What am I trying to do? Okay. So actually, no, it's not this that I want to mess with. Let's see. Custom shape. I don't want it to move. Alright. Still have the stairs with a pitch. Let's automate that. I guess we can use a LFO. Actually, no. Well, yeah, I do. So let's... Let's do volume. Okay, I gotta change the curve. All right. All right, I think I'm gonna leave it like that for now. Sounds pretty cool. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions or any suggestions for future videos that you'd like to see. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.